Hi friends, this is Amrit and you are watching my YouTube channel The Smart Street. In this video I'll be talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty and key levels for tomorrow. As you all know that tomorrow is expiry day and it could be a volatile as well. So let's start. On the right hand side you will see that I have plotted pivot levels. Okay, so you can see it clearly and note it down. Meanwhile I'll be explaining on this chart on your left side. So this is Bank Nifty on a daily chart. Okay, so high for Bank Nifty today was 36,077. It was a good rally today. Okay, low was of 35,544, closed at 35,865. So let's talk about pivot points first. Pivot is at for tomorrow 35,828 and we have closed above pivot of tomorrow. That is a bullish trend first. Second, the top pivot is at 35,846. We have closed above that as well. Below pivot is at 35,810 and look at the CPR, that is top pivot, pivot and below pivot range. It's again shrinked. This is the third consecutive day that the CPR is very tight in Bank Nifty. On weekly it is already tight as well. So we will be looking for a first target of 36,113, 36,361, second one, third target 36,446. Sorry. So what could be extreme considering the expiry on the long side? So I will be looking for a target of approximately 37,000, which is R2 of weekly. Why I'm looking that I'm going to explain, but first let's see the support where we stand for tomorrow. So the support comes at 35,580, then 35,295, and then third support is at 35,447. So let's talk on the chart. This is Bank Nifty on a daily basis. I will like to show you guys something. Let me convert this in hourly chart. Before I plot any indicator, I want to show you two things. First, the channel. Okay, this is the channel we are trading in. Okay, this is the channel that we are trading in, making a flag pattern. I am considering okay, where it is. Okay, here it is. Sorry, I'm considering this one, this move as a pole, this as a flag. So what happens if it breaks on the upper side? So if I consider the target, so it's approximately, you can see guys, it's approximately 8,000 point. A rally of approximately 8,000 points. Okay, a rally of 8,000 points. So what will happen if we break out here? Again 8,000 points on the upside. That's what the flag pattern says here. And let's say from here, okay, let's say we break out tomorrow. So what's gonna happen? Where the target should be coming? This is the target, 44,517. But that is a long target that will be coming in maybe on April or May. We will look at that later on. So this is the broader concept that I wanted to draw in this video. So this is a pole, this is a flag pattern we are in. We are trading in a channel. So what happened? One more thing I will like to show you. Let me zoom this a bit. Yeah, this is enough. One more thing has happened or is happening is this. It's a triangle pattern that we are now in a channel, in a parallel channel. Now another pattern that is developing or we were trading in was a triangle, and in last hour we gave a breakout on that. So you see what is happening. First, we are in the channel. Second, we are developing a pattern which is triangle, and we have broke out. So this is what you will see when I will plot my all the indicators now. So let me delete all this. This is now daily chart. Okay, I will go with the indicator this time. See, don't get confused with all these lines and indicators. These are just pitchfork and parallel, and this is a triangle that I was mentioning earlier. So to make the point clear, let me zoom this. How Nifty performed today. This blue line over here that you see is the weekly pivot and resistance one. This pink line over here is the pivot points for today. So we gapped up and opened at R1, closed above, moved above, and we just managed to close just below R2. Okay, and then we dropped down and we tested the weekly pivot. You see, daily pivot was at 35,400. We didn't win there. We tested the weekly pivot. Good time for intraday players to take a long position over here and then see how on the next hour where the bank Nifty went. Shoot up. So what are the key levels for tomorrow? As I mentioned it earlier, the 35,828, 35,846, which is the top pivot, will be the level, but we already have closed above 35,865. So I will be looking for a target. First, I will be looking for this channel to break tomorrow. If this happens, a sharp move is gonna come. 37,000 is the target for tomorrow. Maybe expiry would happen approximately 200 point down, so 300 pound down can happen, but still I will be aiming for that one. 37,000. Won't be surprised if that pass 37,200 point you will see, but would be a really wild one. But I'm expecting approximately 1,000 to 1,200 points move on Bank Nifty tomorrow. A wild one. Why? One more thing I would like to mention you guys, that a lot of things people have been talking about bonds. So look at the bond, 10-year bond. At this point of time, US market is open and 10-year US bond is down approximately 3.60%. Now see another factor, which is dollar index. It is currently at 92.03, which is down 0.33%. And our India VIX went down approximately 9% to 10%. So the environment is created for a wild move for tomorrow. Let's see what happens. These are the pivot levels for Bank Nifty. Note it down. Let's talk about Nifty now. Okay, this is the Nifty on a daily chart. This is the key pivot levels for tomorrow on Nifty. Okay, over here this was Bank Nifty, guys. Okay, now this is Nifty. Note it down, please. So let me plot the indicators over here. This is So guys, these blue lines that you see over here is the weekly pivot, and on a weekly level we are closed above pivot. Yesterday we managed to just closed at pivot, weekly pivot. So for weekly R1, R2 and R3 over here you can see I have already plotted it weekly, that R3 is at 15,896, R2 is at 15,584, that I'm aiming for. 15,261 is R1. So let's talk about the daily one. This is the daily pivot levels. Let me convert this into an hourly chart and let's see how it has performed. We have closed above Kijun Sen, we are above hourly cloud. So what happened today? This over here, we gapped up, went up beyond R1, closed below Kijun Sen hourly as well. For last 3 hours we traded below, sustained our gain, then gave it up all and went shoot down. You know, if you see over here at 115 we went below pivot of weekly and then we again shoot up in the last hour. Okay, so this was it. This was the scenario on the bank Nifty. Over there we didn't went down the weekly pivot. Over on Nifty we did went down for a while, couple of while we went, Nifty was in trading in red for a couple of minutes, then we shoot up in last hour. So we managed to close above R1. So the closing is of 15,098 and looking at pivot 15,049, 15,073 is the top pivot. We have managed to close above top pivot of tomorrow. So we might be looking at a gap up and a wild move. So the first target that I will be looking over here will be 15,375. R1 and R2, I'm looking at that, we might be over there, considering the expiry and a wild move. So 15,375 would be my aim that I will be looking for. But I will not be surprised if we see 15,500 tomorrow. But it's a matter of how price action behaves and matter of study to see how we do. And S1 is at 14,973, S2 is at 14,848, S3 is at 14,772. One more thing I would like to point this out is that for a couple of days we have been just testing, we are trading in a tight range. Let's see where we are in terms of channel, as I drew on Bank Nifty. So we are still in this channel, as you can see guys. Okay, and have we made the pattern? No, there is no triangle pattern over here. Okay, I don't trade Nifty, I trade only Bank Nifty, so I don't look at the chart of Nifty at all during the market hours. It's just Bank Nifty that I look at. I don't see Nifty, I just see Bank Nifty. That's it. So guys, these are the pivot levels for Nifty. This is the top pivot on a 15-minute chart. If it closes above 15,073, which we have already closed today, and most likely looking at the Dow and all the scenarios that I have explained, we might be looking for a wild expiry on an upside. Let's see how it goes. Thank you very much for this video to watch. Take care and do like, share and subscribe please. Thank you.